Lady and gentlemen, welcome out to the garage. So I've got a ton of tool reviews, a ton of different things I've been meaning to get around to showing you, but as you saw in my last couple of videos, this place is kind of trashed, so I've been working on trying to get it cleaned up a little bit. And on top of that, my kid's Honda Civic has been kicking my butt, and so I've been trying to just do everything I can to get that thing roadworthy for her. So that's out of the garage for the time being. But here's a couple things that I wanted to show you, and that's going to kind of foreshadow some of the projects that I've got, in the coming down the line in the future for you guys, or at least that hopefully you guys will get to enjoy. So you might have seen where I commented, or I posted a video on this brand. I've done a couple of them on this GN Xer, and this, I can only assume it's made in China. So these boxes were about $20, and just as a box itself, I'm very impressed overall. It's steel, it's a good little latch system, and then the crazy kind of part was that on top of that, they actually gave you different complements of tools depending on which one of these kits and which one of the colored kits you ordered. And this is not intended to be a review of this particular kit, although I will say that what they've provided for $20 is impressive. It is impressive. You can't take credit away. I'm guessing that they're taking a loss on these just to get their names out there. Maybe you get people like me doing some reviews. I don't know, or maybe not me, but probably other people. But that said, again, I was interested in this first and foremost, just for the box itself, because I was looking at taking some of the plethora of tools I've got, and I was looking at finally building out some of those vehicle kits that I've been talking to you about for a long time. So I have a lot of vehicles, a lot of kids, and there's a good chance that I'm the one that would be using these kits. So I might, if a kid needed help somewhere, I'd probably run out to help them, and these are probably tools I'd be able to use, but anyway, I'm not going to use the loadouts they gave, right? I just was interested in the box. Some of this stuff is going to get used, but anyways, around $20, you can get this. You can buy the case if you want. If you don't want all the extra, Chinesium toolage, you can skip that and just buy the box for probably a couple bucks more than getting the tools too. But anyway, this is a pretty cool option. But what if you wanted something made in America? What's out there? So that's where this guy comes into play. This is a Proto, and it was in the neighborhood of $20. Let me get some dimensions for you. Let's see here. So the box is, what is that one? Was that like 4 3/8, something like that? I don't know. Not quite 4.5 by not quite 10.5. And then as far as the depth of the box, let's see here. The depth of the box is just it's a little over 1.5 inches deep. And the way the lid works, you don't get any more depth in the lid. It's just like flush. But what would this be ideal for? So I think this is ideal for a little portable socket set. And so anyway, you can imagine some of the things I might be about to do with this. Probably load out definitely that little cat pass-through 1/4 inch driver, 1/4 inch ratchet, some different. Anyway, I'm gonna load this out. So this is gonna be one that once I figure out how I'm gonna build it out. Again, made in USA, old school kind of classic feel, and and I'm going to see what cool thing I can build out of this. Now, one interesting thing is that that some of these, I'm noticing some differences actually. I ordered a few of these boxes, and some of them, they're not like welded on the seams. Like they just rely on the lid to keep the box together. But this one, I don't know if that's just paint or if they actually did construct some of them a little bit differently. Oh no, that one's still, you can see. No, that's probably just the paint holding that together. But anyway, they just kind of folded the ends up, and very simple, right? But made in USA, about $20. So I know some of you guys will appreciate that. I appreciate it. And something nice, just about a classic old school toolbox. Now, here's another option. This isn't made in USA. I believe it's I think it's actually made in Mexico. By a brand that, I guess, Urea, if you want like a P brand, I guess. I don't know. But I got it because it seemed like a nice box. Look at the ends they're rolled, and these are welded. You know, there's like little, I don't know, the box is just a little bit better finished, I think, than, not as simplistic as this Proto, that with just the folded up edges. So I did think it seemed like kind of a quality. It looked quality, right? Like as far as like the finishing a little bit more, and it's got kind of like a, what do you call that? Like a powder coated. There's a texture to this paint here, and the box is a little bit smaller. Let's see what the dimensions are of it. So again, about a little over 4.5 by not quite 9.5. Yeah, and depth not quite 1.5. So again, the smallest box of the bunch. I think you could still make a really nice 1/4-inch drive set out of this box, and that's what I intend to do, something like that. So I'm going to build a couple little kits. I got a plethora of tools, a lot of Craftsman stuff that came in a really shitty packaging, and so I'm gonna build some stuff that's, you know, kind of cool. I'm gonna do it in this box here, as well as these, as well as those other kind of M&M colored boxes that you saw. So I just wanted to give you guys that preview. So I'm gonna work on some cool little kits. At least I think they're gonna be cool, and so I'm pretty excited to getting around to this once I get some of the other stuff that I just have to do knocked out. But anyways, thanks for sticking around on the channel, and I appreciate you guys. Have a good week. I'll see you in the next one.